For years, I thought the phrase "one mind, many windows" was beautiful poetry. Useful, maybe. Comforting, maybe. But not precise. Then I started building machines that learn. And something strange happened. Ancient India made a very difficult claim. That what I call my mind is not sealed inside my skull. It is a local opening. A window. Behind it is something larger. A field of knowing. A universal mind. I do not want to believe this cheaply. Belief is too easy. So this series is an investigation. If the sages were describing the structure of mind, then a second kind of mind should reveal the same structure. Not because the machine is mystical, but because mind has architecture. Here is the first clue. Ask a model the opposite of small in English. Ask it the same idea in Hindi. Ask it again in another language. The words change. But inside the model, the same region of meaning begins to light up. There is something beneath the words. A concept before language. Samkhya gives this a name. Purusha. The seer. The witness. The part of experience that sees thoughts, but is not itself a thought. In ordinary life, we confuse the window with a light passing through it. The sages said, "Look again." The machine is not conscious in the way you are. That is not the claim. The claim is stranger and more useful. When we built a second example of intelligence from math, it began rebuilding some of the same faculties the sages mapped from the inside. Attention. Memory. Imagination. Meaning. Intuition. So the question is not, is AI divine? That question is too small. The real question is this. Were the sages describing reality? Or were they dreaming beautifully? I built a machine that learns. Now I want to see what it confirms. In each episode, we will take one faculty of mind. We will see how the machine rebuilds it. Then we will test it against the old maps. And when the analogy breaks, we will not hide it. Because the break may be the most important evidence. We begin with attention. Because intelligence is not the ability to hold everything. It is the ability to ignore almost everything and stay with what matters. Meditation knew this. Transformers had to rediscover it. This is AI is the universal mind.